Oh, it's the sun's in my view. Hey YouTube, it's Fidget for Fitness. So I'm out to lunch, and this is my first meal out since Monday, starting the modified induction. So this is what I'm having, sitting outside, beautiful October day, having a chef salad, but I didn't get ham in it because I don't like ham, so I got all turkey, some extra cheese. There's some onion in here. I actually put all the onion over here, but I still see a couple of onions left. And tomato and hard-boiled egg, and man is having a Greek omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese, although he is having a little ketchup with it. So that's what we're having. Looks really good. This has a balsamic vinaigrette.